Good morning, everyone. This is chapter number 11, Positive Attitude. So, in this chapter, first of all, we are going to read the chapter and then we will get the idea. What does a positive attitude means? What does a meaning of a hope? Okay, so this is the chapter. As you can see, the first line of this chapter, hope is the expectation of a bright future and a spark of life. Hope means always we should think positive. If we are going to do the think positively, if we do something and we are not getting the good result, so what we do, we just get fed up and we stop doing those things. But hope is, it helps to develop a positive attitude in you, that definitely if you're going to work, definitely we are going to get the success in our life. So that is a hope. So it is just like a expectation of a bright future, and it is just like a spark in a life. It is a feeling whereby you blink by expanding your possibility without worrying about the limitation that block the way, the limitation that are blocking your way, that are stopping you to do your work. So those rays will not be reached to you. Hope will develop a spark in you that you have to do your work, and you have to do your work till you will not get the success. So that is a hope. So in this we are going to study a story of Grandpa's diary. So I am going to just read the story. If you have your books with you, you can also open your books. I am going to underline some lines also. You can also underline those lines in your book. So the Grandpa's diary. The sound of motor car disturbed me. I look out of the window thinking that my grandson has come. George, my grandson. He is 25-year-old now. So what the grandpa is telling that story, that the motor car, the horn of the motor car, the sound of the motor car disturbed him, and just he has looked outside the window and he was just thinking that his grandson named George, who is now 25-year-old, he was thinking that he has come. But for me, he is 25 years old, but he is telling that, but for me, he is just like a small child who has running nose and who comes to me to clarify all his doubts, because he is the grandfather. So grandsons and the grandchildren, they are in the habit of playing with their grand parents. So he was playing with him when in his childhood. So George was very fond of listening stories. He never felt bored. Even I narrated the same story over and over again. But whenever he sat for his study, his sleep overpowered him. And soon he starts snoring on his study table itself. Okay, when the grandfather was telling him the story, so he was interestingly listen those story. But whenever the thing comes to his study, he immediately felt sleepy, and he sleeps even on his study table. So from his childhood, he had the attractive personality, dark complexion, and good physique. Physique means the body structure. Especially we use the word in case of boys, we give that word physique. He was cheerful and playful. He loved teasing children of his own age. Sometime he pulled the ear of his neighborhood friends, and they come to me complaining about George. I used to call him and scold him in front of his friends, but sometime I threatened him that I will not tell him the story if he continue playing his pranks. Hearing this, he used to promise me that he would never he will never do that again. But after a few hours, he used to forget all the promises and continue with his misbehavior. Sometime his mother beat him for quarreling, means fighting with his young sister. He used to cry. Hearing him cry, the grandfather, he usually rush to for his rescue, because his mother, when he was disturbing his younger sister, so usually and the sister starts crying, so grandfather go and just save him from the uh, punishment given by his mother. As a result, his mother used to state that your love is spoiling this child. So, what the mother is saying to grandfather? That dad, your mother is spoiling George. He always fight with other children. I knew he was naughty, but still I always spoke in his favor. So, grandfather was always favoring his grandson. So, whenever the mother complained about him, he always says that no, he is a good child, and always he favors grandson. Oh, George is only the child, and this stage all the children are naughty. They fight every now and then, but the next moment they become friends again. Listening to me, she used to grumble and go back to her room with George. When I later threatened George again, he used to throw his arms around my neck and stammer, Grandpa, God promise I will never fight with anyone again. So that innocence, that cute behavior always made grandpas smile. Suddenly, Grandpa is telling now that suddenly my eyes fell upon the storybook lying on the bed. I looked at the page. It was crumpled badly. Probably I had slept on it the whole night. I began to smile at myself despite being about 20 years, 27, 20 years of age. I love reading the storybooks of the children. Interestingly, probably old age is an incarnation of a child. So, like children, even I love flying kites, catch butterflies. So, these things the grandpa is telling about himself. One day I saw a little girl planting a sapling. This reminded me of the environmental day. When George was a little child, one day grandpa has seen that one little child, she is just sapling some she's just planting some sapling outside. This reminded me the environmental day when George was a little child and he was also planting a sapling with the George. Grandpa, why are you planting these trees? Because it is an environmental day today. So what is the reply of the grandpa? He said, it means that all the things around us, such as trees, animals, soil, water and air, are the part of environment. They are gift which the nature has blessed us. The grandpa replied, but you have planted only a tree. What about the animals? I was glad that George was interestingly asking him the questions. So grandpa is telling that he was asking me the questions, so he was very happy. I replied, George, means grandpa replied, George, animals can take care of themselves, whereas we have to take care of plants and trees. They give us pure air to breathe and food to eat. We also get the things like wood, medicines, flour, oil, and many other useful things from them. Okay, so after that, the George, it means that we should have a hope. So the grandpa is telling that we should plant trees. They are the plants of hope. Grandpa is telling they are the plants of hope. Grandpa, what are plants of hope? This question is asked by the George. So grandpa's replied, it means that we should have hope. With a hopeful mind, we can take care of ourselves as well as kaha. So the grandpa, he replied that these are the plants of hope. With a hopeful mind, we can take care of ourselves as well as other. So by keeping this plant of love and peace alive for forever, means if we are planting the trees, we have to give them the care, we have to take care of them. So why we are doing all these things? Because we have some plants of hope that in future they are going to give us the fruits, vegetables, and they are going to provide us oxygen and whatever the things the plants give. So what are these? These are the plants on the hope. Okay, that is a hope that we are expecting for our future. So suddenly I heard a word from behind Grandpa. I made me come out of my reverie. I saw George standing before me, tall, dark, handsome, and I saw him in my dream. I asked George, "You gave me a surprise. When did you come?" He replied, "Long time back when you were daydreaming." Then he handed me a certificate. Just then his mother came and said, "Hope is driving force of life." So this all activity when the grandpa is just sleeping and he is just dreaming and he is just thinking about his grandson George, all these things are coming in his mind. And after some time, what happened? The fresh stream of water and make the land life lush and green fertile. Means the plants, they have grown now. Now the father George, the lush green and fertile, means whatever the father was expecting, thus the all the things has come true. And his son, means the father of George, he has come and he said that, "Father, George has become a doctor. Are you not surprised?" So grandpa said, "No, I knew that one day my tiny plants of hope will surely go big," he replied. "Grandpa, I love you," said by George. And he hugged George and said, "I love you too, my child, and I miss you a lot." Now, the George, who was a child, now he has become a doctor. So, and all these things are happened in his life because of his grandfather and grandfather. He was having that hope that my grandson will definitely achieve something in his life. So now he is a doctor. So what we have learned from that story, children, that always keep the plant of hope, and definitely we will get the success in our life. So hope is just like an unseen companion. It is just like our friend. So if we are believing on our hope, definitely we are going to cross the hurdle of our life. So the hope is rule by our rule your heart. So whatever we think, whatever the things come in our heart, then we think with our mind. So if we have the plants of hope, definitely we are going to achieve them. So hope is just like a passive form of wish or active as a plan of an idea. So hope is just the opposite of despair and despair. So despair means when we are just thinking for everything, no, we can't do. So hope is just a opposite of despair. So it is just a feeling that what we get, what we want, we are able to do that, we are able to achieve that. So the hope is a powerful spiritual lesson, means with hope we can achieve everything. So hope is surrounded by many qualities. So hope, which type of qualities? Like patience, which helps a person to tolerate and allow the events to unfold in their own time. The force help to give us the courage, which provide the strength. Force provide us the persistence or determination, that what is going on and what to keep on going no matter what happens, but we have to put our efforts to bring the thing positively. So this is all about the chapter, children. So what is does the meaning of hope here? That we should be hopeful and we should do everything with a positive attitude. Definitely we are going to get the success in our life. So I will send you the question and answer in the PDF form, children. Thank you.